Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Higginson. There's two of me. Do you see me down there, too? That's me from last week. This is me from now. I am going to play the read aloud that I made last week because I know I posted it very, very late because I forgot. And some of you might not have heard it, and I know you really wanted to hear it. And because we have one of our reading pages to do. So I thought I would let you read this story and then you can write and draw about it. Here is The Pigeon Who Needs a Bath.
This is Mrs. Higginson with your last read aloud for the school year. The Pigeon Needs a Bath by Mo Willems. And the pigeon sitting there with his arms crossed saying, I do not. And this book was voted on by the kids who joined my school session yesterday. The pigeon needs a bath. Hi, I don't know if you've noticed, but the pigeon is filthy. So I can use your help because the pigeon needs a bath. Words and pictures by Mo Willems. That is a matter of opinion. What a kidder. I don't really need a bath. I took one last month. I think it was last month. Scritch, scritch. Clean, dirty. They're just words, right? I feel clean. Maybe you need a bath. Yeah, when was the last time you had a bath? Oh, that was pretty recently. Life is so short. Why waste it on unimportant things? Like taking a bath. What smell? I don't smell anything. And if I do, it's a very normal smell for a pigeon. Yeah, no, in some places, it is impolite to bathe. All of these flies buzzing around me are purely coincidental. Hey, you! Yuck! Let's get out of here! Take a bath, dude! Okay, fine! If it means so much to you, I'll take a bath. Whoa. I'm not going to like this one bit. The water is too hot, too cold, too lukewarm, too hot, too wet, too cold, not enough toys, too many toys, too deep, not deep enough, too cold, now it's too hot again, too reflective. That is still too hot. Well, I guess this is okay. Splash! Hey, this is fun. Wash, 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 wash. La, la, la. Swinging in the tub. This is the life. I love bubbles. Look at my wrinkly toes. Hello. Hello. How are you? I'm fine. I'm a fish. I'm a fish. 10 hours later. Hey, I stay in the tub forever. in the tub, and if you look at the bottom, the duck and the pigeon. I hope you enjoyed the story. Have a great day.
Okay, so that was the story I read on Friday to you guys. And here is the page that we have today that you can write about this story or you can write about a different story. So up here it says name. You're going to write your name. I wrote my name. This says I can listen to stories. You guys are good at that. Title of book. And I wrote the title here for you. The Pigeon Needs a Bath. If you need to write the title, go ahead and push pause right now and copy this down. Right here it says this book was, and it says color one, good or bad. I thought it was good, so I'm going to color the smiley face for good. If you thought the book was bad, then you can color this picture. And inside the box, we draw a picture. It says here is a picture from the story. So I'm going to pause my video while I draw my picture, and you can pause yours and you can look at my picture when we're done. One of my favorite parts was when the pigeon had bubbles all over the place. And so that's the picture I decided to draw, him in the bathtub with bubbles all over the place. But whatever you picture you drew from the story is just fine. Flip it over. Your next job is tracing uppercase letters. We have a small spot for our name here. You might have to write littler than usual, especially my people with long names like me. And for the date, you can write 5 and then a little dot or a little line, and then 2/7 if you're doing this on the day that I had planned, and then a little line, and then 2/0. That's the date. So your job is to trace every letter in the alphabet, and I want you to practice by saying the name of the letter when you trace it. So you always start your letters at the top. A, B, C, D. I'm going to pause my video while I do the rest. You can pause yours while you do the rest. Here are my uppercase letters traced. If there's any letter that you don't know the name of when you are going through and tracing it, you can ask one of your grown-ups. Next we have a cutting page. You can pull it straight from the back of your packet. It looks like this. It says season sort. So first thing I do is always the same. I pick up a pencil and write my name. This is how we practice. I haven't been giving you any handwriting pages lately because I know that you are writing your name on all of these papers. So, sandals and boots. Which one would you wear in the summer when it's hot? Yes, sandals. And which one would you wear in the winter when it's cold? Yes, a boot. So your job is to cut out all of these rectangles, and you're going to glue them on here if there's something that matches summer, and on here if there's something that matches winter. I'm going to do this without you, and I want you to do this on your own. So push pause and do this job, and I will show you the right answers when we get back. Okay, if you haven't paused your video to do your page yet, go ahead and pause it now. Were there any of them that stumped you, that were tricky? For me, I looked at the flower first and I was like, flower? That's not clothes. And then I saw the snowman too and I was like, oh, which one would be winter? Snowman. And if snowman is winter, then what would the flower be? Summer. Because flowers need sun, and during the winter there's not a lot of sun. So this is what your paper should look like. Your pictures might be in different spots, but for your summer, you should have a bathing suit, flower, and shorts. For winter, you should have a mitten, coat, snowman. We have one page left for today. It is a book that we're going to make. It's called Summer Fun. So your first job is to cut on all of these dotted lines. Let's pause our video now and cut on the lines. I cut out my pieces, but they got all mixed up when I was cutting. So do you think I should cry and throw a fit because they're mixed up? How about crumple them up and throw them and be angry because they're mixed up? No, we don't need to do that. It's okay. It's okay if yours are mixed up. It's okay if yours are not in the same spot as mine. We're going to put them all together. So this one is the front. It says summer fun and it has the sun. So because this is page 1, even though it doesn't have a number 1 on it. So we're going to take this and we're going to put it upside down right there. So that was page 1. Now I need you to find the page that has the number 2 in the corner. Okay, this one is 2. It's the girl on the bike. And the word says ride. We're going to take the 2, flip it upside down, and put it on top of the first page. After 2 comes 3. Find number 3. Has a number 3 in the corner. It is this one. It's the little boy and it says swim. Take swim, flip it upside down, and put it on top. After 3 is 4. This one is 4. 4 says fish. Ish. Flip it upside down, put it there. Next is 5. This is 5. Camp. Take it, flip it upside down. And this last one says play. And flip it upside down. Now take them all carefully and flip them all over. And up here in the corner it says staple. If you have a stapler at your home, maybe your grown-up will staple it for you. If not, maybe they can figure out a way to keep it together with a paper clip or tape. And you can go through and you can color these pictures, and then you can read the words to your grown-up. I'm sure they'll help you if you get stuck on one of them. Remember, ride, swim, fish, camp, and play. I hope you still have time to go outside and play today. Have a great day.